Hey guys, Abs here. I'm going to be taking you through a demonstration of the PR Traffic Booster so that I can give you an overview of what the software does. In front of me, I've got the PR Traffic Booster opened up. As you can see, it's got a user-friendly user interface. It's lightweight, multi-threaded, runs with up to 10 threads, and it can also run whilst minimized. Now, towards the left-hand side, we can have a look at the scripts and see exactly what the PR Traffic Booster works with. You can actually check your Tumblr accounts and see if they are live or not. You can sign up to Tumblr accounts, you can do reblogs on Tumblr, and you can also add to the Tumblr queue, which is like a scheduled method which Tumblr allows us to benefit from. We can like posts, we can follow and unfollow users, and we can make new posts on Tumblr as well. Now the new posts that the system supports is image posts, video posts, article posts, and quote posts as well, and all of them can be added to the Tumblr queue. Now we've got a number of other options that the system works with and supports as well, such as auto follow users that you're not already following, and it also allows you to work with Tor and Hide My Ass VPN, as well as having your own proxies, and that's free proxies or private paid for proxies which are user and password verified. The system also verifies your emails. It also customizes your Tumblr accounts, customizes in the sense that it will add an avatar, it will pick a Tumblr theme, and also add a title to your Tumblr blog. Now the system is very clever as well. It'll track and save all your statistics for each of your Tumblr accounts, because the PR Traffic Booster does make it real simple for you to manage multiple Tumblr blogs. So as we can see from the view stats section, we've got a number of groups down here, and I've named the groups after my niches so I know exactly what kind of traffic I'm getting to each group. And it actually gives us stats on our total niches here, on the total number of posts that we have live at present with these Tumblr accounts, at the time of when these Tumblr accounts were actually last run, and the total number of queue, or the total number of posts that we have in the Tumblr queue that are waiting to be published, and the total number of users that we are following combined, and the total followers that we have combined as well. Now we have these for each group, and we can click into the groups as well, and the groups will actually reveal the individual Tumblr blog statistics for each and every single blog that we have within them groups. So as you can see, this actually tells us the exact details for each individual Tumblr account, whereas this tells us the actual group details down here. Okay, now we can actually, the software allows you to add settings for each and every section of each group. Everything will be taken, you will be taken through everything in the back end when you do actually purchase. We've got two extensive guides. One is a very detailed PDF guide along with video tutorials taking you through the whole process, and another guide actually tells you and takes you through various methods in which you can use Tumblr to benefit from either do follow, page rank backlinks, to benefit from targeted traffic, niche specific. So as you can see, we can actually base these on niches as well, and there's various other guides, there's various other methods that we actually take you through as well. So regarding this software though, we also allow you to, the software actually works with capture breaking services such as deCAPTCHA and death by capture. You can also auto shorten your URLs with Bitly, and again with your Tor and Hide My Ass settings, they will also go in your general settings as well. Now what we're going to do is give the software a quick go and see exactly how it can work. So the very first thing we're going to do is check and see and make sure our accounts are live. But first of all, I'm going to disable the auto follow, and I'm going to click on start. And as you can see, we're actually running with 3 threads here, and this is actually going to log into our Tumblr accounts and ensure our Tumblr accounts are live. Every time a thread gets released, it's going to start up and start on the next account. So what we're going to do now is actually we're going to actually do a few, we're going to run some scripts and see how the software works. So we'll perform some likes, we'll do 10 likes on each one, we'll click on start, and we've actually got 4 accounts live down here. and the other account was actually considered as not being working, so the system hasn't started to do the likes for them. So as you can see, the software is doing the likes here. You can also run the software while it's minimized. You can click on the X button and click on OK, and that's going to be running in your taskbar, and you can always open that, so you can always open that up whenever you like and show that process. And as you can see, one of the accounts has already performed the 10 likes, the other ones has already performed the 10 likes, the third one performed the 10 likes, and we're on the fourth one performing the likes now. And again guys, you don't need to see any of this process in action. You can have the delays as long as you want, as short as you want as well, and you can have individual settings for each and every group that you work with. Now it's a very easy software. As you can see, it's totally completed there. We've done 40 likes there already. We can start doing some follows as well, and I'll click on start, so we'll start doing the followings here as well. And this actually works with up to 10 threads guys, and you can work with free proxies, private proxies, you can work with Tor, and you can also work with Hide My Ass VPN, whereby the software will automatically communicate with the VPN and change the proxy if you are working with the VPN. So as you can see, we've already performed the 10 follows there for the first account, and that's already moving on to the fourth account there. So this is the PRTrafficBooster guys. If the full system doesn't actually make any sense to you at the moment and you're not using Tumblr, then all the more reason for you to actually jump in, because we do take you through a number of guides and telling you and show you exactly how you can benefit from Tumblr as well. And this software is just going to make everything so much more easier, and you'll be a Tumblr expert before you know it. Thank you very much guys, and I really hope to see you on the inside.